Welcome friends. In this video we will start creating our first course on EduNext. To open Studio, type in your browser studio.edunext.co. Sign in with your registered email ID. Now click on create your first course and write the course name which you want to develop, course number which may also be the university code of the subject, and write the course run, which is the term or semester in which the course will be run. Note that this will be a part of URL, so no space is allowed. Now click on create. Once you click on create, the course gets created, but we have to add content to the course. So before starting adding e-contents to the course, let us first explore the content section. So in this, under update section, you can add updates, announcement of tests, or any other news relevant with the course. Then in pages section, there is access to the home of the course, discussion with students, and progress of students taking your course. All this you can access under pages section. Then you can add textbook of the course also. Write the name of the textbook which you want to upload. To upload the textbook, it is important to break the textbook into chapters so that students with slow internet do not face any problem in accessing the book, as it reduces the load on the internet. So to break the PDF into chapters, I use the website ilovepdf.com. Type in your browser ilovepdf.com and upload the book that you want to split. So I am uploading my metric space book. The book is uploaded. Now write the range of each chapter of the book. So I am writing the range of first chapter, which is from page number 22, page number 39. Now add the range of second chapter, so which is from 42, page number 53, and similarly you can add range of all the other chapters of the book. After adding all the chapters of the book, click on split PDF. This will download a zip file which contains all the chapters of the book. Extract the chapters. Now they are ready to be uploaded on the website. So now write the chapter name, then choose first chapter from the extracted file and click on upload. So first chapter is successfully uploaded. To add chapter, click on add chapter and write the name of the second chapter, then choose the second file and click on upload. Similarly, you can add all the other chapters of the book. Once all the chapters are uploaded, click on save. This will save all the chapters uploaded. So I have uploaded 5 chapters for now. From here you can delete the chapters if you want, You can edit this also and you can go live also.